Yo, I'm at Justin's house. I'm a little drunk, so I can't drive home. And that's why I'm here. But the reason I'm here actually is because later, it's 1:57 in the morning right now, but later today, we're gonna be ripping some fucking go-karts and some fucking mini bikes and shit. And I'm gonna record some of it and it'll be fucking sick. I'm telling you. I'll see you guys in the morning.
What's going on?
I'm just tightening up the gas tank bolt. The studs on the bottom on this side should have nuts on them, but it looks like somebody like cut the studs off or something like that, which is really fucking weird. And I can't. Here, Christian, come here. Hold the throttle wide open.
Hold her fucking
No,
wide.
like.
Why do I gotta do that?
Because it doesn't. That's given me issues recently from what I've seen. Sometimes it doesn't hold all the way, which is kind of annoying.
Justin, give the ladies and gentlemen at home what we're doing today here. Justin, bro.
We are gonna rip the fuck out of every piece of machinery that we have in my house.
BP Racing goes small engine racing.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right, let it go. Now I'm telling you, dude.
But no, I like my Explorer.
I like that. The Explorer's a great car. I love it, dude.
Yay. Yay.
What was that?
I said that might be the gayest thing I've ever heard him say.
Oh. Let's see what you're doing over here. Show the people
Seatbelt.
DIY. DIU, do it yourself.
Yep. Seatbelt.
We got a big lineup of vehicles to Ripperooski. Now we got my mini bike. We're also simultaneously watching the Iowa NASCAR race. It just started, yeah.
Trying to get some laps, trying to get some practice.
Postmar's already the 14th.
Austin Dillon.
13th. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Denny Hamlin put additional brake cooling ducts on his car, so he had to go in the back.
Oh.
I guess Riley Herbst, Chase Briscoe, and Hamlin all cracked rotors in practice.
Oh, sweet. Yeah.
Are you on choke?
Might
yeah,
be.
I think that's how you guys run. Okay, alright, you're good.
Oh shit. It's okay, it's a Hemi.
What?
It's a Hemi, you'll be fine.
Yeah, it's all good. Kind of weird, I don't know.
It's so funny seeing this shit go fucking bouncing when you come over here.
Yeah.
Like I see you in the distance and it's fucking...
You can ride this one.
Okay. She's tired.
What happened? Dude, my fucking back. Yeah, this thing gets your back, dude. And the pad is in there too. What happened? Is it still working good?
Oh yeah, just my fucking back.
Gotta take a break?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, because she's fucking irritating.
When me and Justin are in the same room, we still argue. Justin, do we not argue all the time?
All the time.
All the time.
I'm a little bit upset with you because you didn't bring me
Justin,
Kirby.
what are you talking about, bro?
It was gonna smell like those White Castles.
It was gonna
Oh,
fuck
fuck
you
yeah,
up.
it is.
You were gonna be on
Yeah,
the
bro, put
shitter
me out.
all night if I brought you Kirby.
No, dude, you don't want it, dude.
Yes, I
Believe me.
do.
No, you don't. You
What do
don't
you
want
want?
that.
Don't tell me
Put
what I
my
do.
foot in there.
Hey,
We
bro.
got for free.
Would you go
Yeah.
back to Melon?
No.
Travis!
You don't want this one, dude. Just saying.
You recording? Yeah, there's the King of the Hill theme over it and let's just speed it up. Put it like 2 times speed. baby. Alright, no brakes on that.
Stretch. I got right up on his spoiler when we started off into turn 3. He got loose and just lost it.
Fucking dive bomb you like that.
Yeah, I was like, there's no way he's gonna pass it here, right? Oh yeah, he is. Yeah, that was sketchy as hell because I was like, brake. I was like, oh shit, the brake's on the other side. Oh fuck.
now. You Jacob PT2.
No, this thing is just Ben breaking.
No, he broke it last time with the fucking wheel coming off. Where's Justin?
He's up front.
Oh, damn.
Where's that fucking reciprocating saw at?
Oh. GG, I guess. Broke.
Oh. Oh, no, just rip it off. Come on, put that recharge strength in there. Trying to cut through that weld. He's really not that good at cutting out.
Wait, be careful with the engine because it's bending over here.
Yeah. Oh, it's gripping the car over. Here we go. Now it's lightweight, dude. Yeah. Jesus Christ. Get up and go now, boy. Popping wheelies. Giddy up. This is the Nutsack Destroyer 9000 right here.
What?
This is the Nutsack Destroyer 9000. I just went over those fucking bumps and it just...
Yeah, it'll get you.
I feel like Ghost Rider.
Yeah. The brakes work really weird. On and off.
So this is the aftermath of running through this fucking dirt here. Little chode on there. But yeah, fucking dirty as fuck. Holy shit. I didn't even notice until I was about to leave. But yeah, this shit's fucking dirty. Damn. Alright, y'all. That's the end of today's video. It's a little quick, shorter video than I usually been posting. I know I've been posting like fucking hour-long videos lately, but that's because we've been doing a lot of fun stuff, and we need to record all the fun stuff to show you guys at home. But I hope you enjoyed, you know, just a quick little video on a Sunday. Yeah, stay tuned until next time, motherfuckers.